after this very heavy introduction, I guess most of these are very fancy things that we do in academia, writing our bio notes and like kind of marketing ourselves well in front of the public. But as a son of the soil, I find it very elitist today to sit, to like stand in front of you all, like my seniors, the people whom I know from since my childhood, and to like speak in front of them and like sharing the stage as a guest or chief guest. It seems very elitist, but still in line with the protocol of the program and the spirit of the program, I just will try to briefly say a few words. First of all, thank you to the incoming president, Tridibes Chakraborty, whom I lovingly call as Baponda, for having me here today. Due to his insistence and persistence, that I am a very shy person. I like to work behind. I'm not a person to stand in front of the that dais and deliver something or say something. So actually his insistence and his persistence made me stand here. So thank you, Baponda, for your kind and loving invitation. And a very good evening now to everyone, the dignitaries present on the dais, off the dais, my seniors and the friends here. So basically I am a person from media, and I call myself as a media student. So basically, when we, in our domain, we talk about development communication, and I am very much amazed by how Rotary has been doing to uplift communities, marginalized people across the world for more than a century. So the spirit of putting others first, and the spirit of service to the mankind is what kind of distinguishes Rotary from other organizations. So I'm very so in that line, from my perspective, whatever little field work and academic things that I have done so far, my work focused on indigenous communities in Northeast. Recently I am working with women journalists in Northeast India. I am mapping the digital abuse that they face online because of their reporting and the stuff. I am also working with a group of Myanmar refugees in Aizawl. We all know the civil war that is going on in Myanmar, and because of that a lot of displaced people are there in Aizawl and in other districts as well. So I am also working with a group of refugee children and to try to find out what is the childhood in transition. Because of these conflicts, because of civil wars, not only in Myanmar, across the globe we are seeing that there is this, the childhood is in crisis. So what is the influence or implication of this kind of external factors, which is kind of reshaping or reimagining the childhoods across the world? So while doing my field work and preparing for these projects, what I saw that majority of projects or majority of schemes, why they fail? They fail because we fail to communicate. We fail to communicate or take into account about the fears of the people whom we are addressing. We fail to take their feedbacks in, and we fail to actually recognize their fears and the repercussions that they will have. So in this situation, organizations like Rotary can play a very crucial part. They can be a bridge between the state and the society, a bridge between the schemes and the beneficiaries, and as the outgoing secretary was reading his report, I was keenly listening to him. So the kind of activities that Rotary is doing, it is already connecting to the masses, and it is also like kind of addressing the marginalized people. Being in Northeast India, we are already marginalized because of our geographical location. And again, there is this equation of ethnicity, identity, which are adding more complex mosaic to the already aggravated situation that we are already witnessing. This kind of situation in Manipur, where Meitei journalists are not traveling to Kuki areas for reporting, and vice versa. So to end, whatever from my observation and the fieldwork I see and I believe, and I would like to request the Rotary Club of Hailakandi that these kind of works or the activities that you do, let us focus more on the marginalized sections, the underprivileged sections, whom are always neglected or whom are always left in the periphery. So with this, I would like to say all the best to the incoming committee, and may the spirit of putting our other people's first and servicing the mankind long live. Jai Hind.